Prime factorization of 24. That is, in this video we are going to find out the prime factorization of 24. But to understand how to find out the prime factorization of 24, you have to have knowledge about prime number. 2, 3, 5, 7 are the prime numbers. These are prime number because this number has only two factor, 1 and the number itself. That is, this number has two factors, 1 and the number itself, that is 3. And prime factor, these are prime number, and prime factor means the factor that is prime number. And prime factorization, that is, if you want to get prime factorization of a number, then you have to find out the prime factor, and then you need to multiply that prime factor to get prime factorization. Let us find the prime factor of 24 using uh, using factor tree. Look, 24. Okay, select two numbers that if you select two numbers that produce 24 if you multiply. So look, 2 times 12. These two, look, this 2 is a prime number, so you can circle it. And this 12 is a composite number, that is, it has you have to carry out the second step here. So 12, you can select two numbers that produce 12, that is, uh, 2 times 6, that gives you 12, but this 2 is a prime number, so let's circle it. And okay, now work on 6. You can write this 6 as 3 times 2. This 3 is a prime number and this 2 is a prime number. So 24, that is prime factorization of 24, equal to, write this 2, then this 2, then this 3, then this 2. So prime factorization, look, prime factorization, this 2, 3 is the prime factor of 24, and prime factor is 2 and 3, and prime factorization equal to, okay, you have to multiply all these prime numbers. That is, you have 1 2 3 2s and 1 3s. So look, this 2 times 2 times 2, then 3. This, or you can express these 3 2s as 3 to the power cube times 3. So these are the two ways to write the prime factorization of 24.